The gear case assembly consists of the gear housing, the armature bearing, the spindle needle bearing, the spindle lock, and the screws to secure it. The gear case supports and houses the spindle and spindle gear. The spindle lock allows you to lock the spindle while you are changing the grinding wheel. Common reasons to replace the gear case assembly are a cracked housing, a broken spindle lock pin, or a failed needle bearing. Replacing the gear case assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the guard and the side handle. Now remove the spindle assembly. It's secured with 4 screws. Now remove the gearbox half of the grinder from the motor half. Now separate the armature from the gear housing. To do that, I need to remove the pinion gear. It's secured with a nut. Now remove the baffle from the gear housing and the bearing retainer. Now we're ready to install the new gear housing assembly. Now I'll reinstall the bearing retainer using the new screws that came with the gearbox kit. Now I'll reinstall the baffle back into the gearbox housing. I'll press it firmly into place and I'll install the armature. As I install the armature, I need to slide the pinion gear back onto the armature shaft and secure it with the nut. Now I need to apply some new grease to the gearbox. I want to fill most of this lower cavity. And that looks good. Now I can reinstall the gearbox and armature assembly back into the motor assembly. I'll reinstall the baffle and then slide the armature into place. And I'll secure the 2 assemblies with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the spindle assembly. I'll place this spindle assembly over the housing, making sure that the gears align, and I'll secure it with the screws. I'll finish up by reinstalling the guard, the flange nuts, and the side handle. And now you know how to replace the gear case assembly on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.